So over here you can see that I have a character, and if I were to go in and then drag this out, you can see that the arm bends in one direction. I've already applied arm IK behavior in the previous lesson, so you might want to follow that out if you haven't seen that video already. So if I were to click and drag it, you can see that there's the arm IK and it is preferring one bend direction over the other. So now let's see the arm IK properties. So for that, I'm going to go around the arm IK around right here. And then here you can see that there's the stretchiness. So if I were to click and drag it, you can see that it only stretches a bit right here, not too much, so a bit. If you want it to not stretch at all, then you can go around and press 0 right here. And you can see that it does not stretch around at all at this point. So let me just click and drag the mouse right over here and increase the stretchiness, and you can see that I can really increase out the stretchiness to around 100% or around 10%. 10% is the sweet spot right here where there is not much of stretchiness, and just like that you can see that it is much more smoother. So another one right here is the elbow strength. So let me just go around and then change around the elbow strength. So right now it's 90%, but if I were to change this out, you can see that it changes around the elbow strength right here. So if I were to change around the elbow strength right here, now you can see that it bends on the other direction as well, just like this. So that's how the elbow strength actually works out. So I can go around and make it 100%. You can see that it favors this direction now. But if I were to go over here and decrease the elbow strength right here, now it bends on the other direction as well. So depending on what you need, you can go around and change the elbow strength, as you can see right here. So right now there's the auto arm bend right here. So if I were to change around a bit of properties right here, you'll be able to see how that actually takes an effect. So let me just increase out the elbow strength right here. So it bends around this direction. And if I were to change this out a bit, you'll be able to see the smooth transition and everything. It changes how the bend reacts just a bit. You can also disable this out, and you can go around to reverse arm bend right here, as you can see, and that is how it actually works out. So you can go forward and reverse arm bend onto the right, and you can see that there's a subtle change right here. So if I were to drag this out, you can see that there's a subtle change on how much this actually bends out. So you can go around and choose it on the way you want. So you can change around the direction of the arm bend, as you can see. So you can change around on this side or this side, increase the stretchiness of the character, and so forth. And that is how you can work with the arm IK behavior properties to make the character's stretchiness and the bending of the arms behave the way you like. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.